Salad magic for weight loss success. Do you want to know why it's magic? Because it's just few ingredients. Without wasting time, let's go into our bowl. Let's start with white cabbage. It's already sliced. I use 150 grams of white cabbage. Next ingredients is cucumber. I use 1 cucumber. Next, grated carrot. I use 1 carrot. Tomato. I use 1 tomato. Onion. 1 red onion. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Of salt. Half tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon yogurt. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Now let's make the magic to happen. If today is your first time to my channel, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for always clicking on my video. Please don't forget to support me by commenting, liking, and sharing. Thank you. Next recipe, into the bowl, 1 cucumber. It's already sliced. 1 small slice of onion. 1 small size tomato. Put it aside and go for the cream. 20 ml of olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Yogurt 2 tablespoons. Half teaspoon black pepper. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Cover and shake. Fresh mint for your sauce. Our magic salad is ready. Simple ingredients. Check in your kitchen, into your fridge, you will get it there. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.